tu na a kidem na thupi tak nei de hi wa ikidem na wa mi pi amun ma hon paya hon ente na tungwa organizer sigletang ina ki pak thu kon ge na wailawa aza ta khwai just te le media lam te sound system hitale bangkim alung tun huai ma wai changa tv lama an ente no tung in le ki pa thu kon ge na hi na hun man phau senga yai program ngai na no net sak zia kuna na vekwa tung ina ki pak thu kon ge na hi i program i pangal ding wa hai nung ke thu gen khit sol lowin kha contestant te ki elna ki pangal ding hi wai mai na puan ding neu che ko ma wai kon puang ding tunita ka mili ki eliminate ding hi wai changa jing changa zana aching te kha jing changa omnon zel di hi hai mun ma kha chi kha kon gen lok ma sa tuna contestant te khat khatina kon sam dinga hi mun aun ki line hun lan ama sa pen di na contestant number 20 Jafet Sat Gowlun on pot khia in lan please come out RK Langzai Liu Khup Swan Mung Simte Sonia Lam Ngai Chin Selina Van La Lompui Ning Thian Hoi Nem Zarwal Ngai Muan Ching Pau Swan Lian Ton Sing Hoi Nun Fel Disen and Maino James Rochan Puya The Pride Khala City Light Vung Nun Siam Thing Neu El Hangmi Over Girls Ngai Ting Ting Okay, contestant te kia nga amau thei di nga poimo pen kha tu ni kya hi lo zanta ka pata kha it is totally different from the audition rounds audition round to elimination round kha akibang thei non kaya just te bang le hon root mei thei wai changa nahi hial nawu o ma le hon phat tun lo mei thei nahi hial no lo kha hon point out to hen lan hon bang khal leu hai te khong kha ki suk za lang na hi ke dinga professional dewa contestant le ten le na ngai diu i hi hial na te iki hil ke ya le bang chi khang to dila mo a hi hial thei na pia vakipak ta tun chi bang khan mo vai lo a hi chi kha i thei cha dingwa contestant ten just te mimala tu nung tu ma khonga wai a hon just dan kha hon gen hon kap lo tel chi khonga lung sim ngai dan na nei thei lo ding ngoi hi everyone should be professional okay why did na all the best and I would like to add one tips in for all the remaining rounds in case if you true ama sa peni na lasate adi na kon gen dia lasate adi nga kha lyrics et tom chi khong competition hin chin whole banga event program khonga performance na pai wale le lyrics et khong kha tu lai vai non lo hi chi kha i thei ding wa wai chang a hiai pen kha tribals got talent mi te sanga normal singer te sanga asiam zoding ki el na hi a wai tung tuanga khanon bang na so thei dom chi pen kha hi okay wai ba na lam lampang te adinga kon ge nu ta hi le YouTube khonga video nal na sak dewu cover hon bol jwal hiai muna hon bol kha ya audience tu te khat pe win le bol thei hi chi khana thei diu okay even myself I can do that why bana TikTok dance chi te khong bang hon war ma TikTok dance chi khong kha hi cha selfie mo ta video ki line hand move khong va bol mei hin chin why te khong kha tribal got talent platform ma dia chu kilom la deu kana sa azata khwai just 10 again ngam nai cha ke wa hi le tu ni ta khong a chu hon hit thut di hi a wai khong a om khak zen zen a le dena ka gen bang kha na thei non ding wa wai lo wa
hello umon nang gen masadam nagin kasi hindi
all well prepared nagisakol hoy now hiya nagisa hoy now inin but sa daka atram at si ile contestant ka bets ka etale akim khol kaya adang ten toy khalaw na yaw ya de chanong lam cha ma makatun la zani ka boy lo a chi tiam lo di komen aken ki de teu lo ma ngaung ki pya kale zani ki sil na hun kanai khol kaya na chi ole ama nga pen kha nga ma on ki basak lai de ve yai competition special number piak namon hi lo na theu ma azyak chu no sa asiam zopi hilale around masa ai hil zaka anak kya tampiom tai ve zanan ke guess chu kahi amo zana te tatunya te khon compare to adi kahi ole
kipa waya na tu na chia tu na watu unlan yai. Yes, you can go and sit back, and I would like to request each and every one of the participants to maintain at least little bit social distance in order to follow SOP of COVID. Hai tanina ken hun kon zodi nga round apay hun chiang ina mi piten achok phurdan bang anasiam chia le hai amuna om te be kina wai chang a contestant te a perform chiang wa ana support zela ana ki ko pi zel chi khong bang ama wa dia le thanop hwai diak dina ka ging ta wai ja kina mi pite vekuna lim deu ina iom ding wa contestant te support gi ge a akwa hitalele mani fans lo tele hi china lungsim lian deu ina tunta kina huni jang di wai tanina hun kon jodi tuna host de khuta hun kon pedi
competition lamai na lut ngal dingwa tunia contest tuai sama sak dingwa hiale contestant number 20 Zafet Sad Gaulun ama tale na ibang bang perform din sama hi.
Hello Zafet.
Hi.
Bangalan na perform de. La mo. English.
English.
Hindi, English. Which song?
One Moment in Time.
The singer of the song. Who?
Whitney Houston.
Whitney.
Houston.
Yeah, it's a lady singer, na. Okay. Best of luck.
Thank you. Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every game to taste the sweet or face the pain. I'll rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny.
Sa Golen,
Yes, sir.
hola cheng na him.
Bethela.
Betela na.
Ah,
Atile betela din tua kon het pan bo na.
hibeta.
Asa chuti ji tango nang jong chu. Ikat na su hil na ka holen tin na.
Ah,
Na su hil na ka hol kati phale adang si chu adi ti nai ta chu. Oh.
ah,
Microphone na control pa chu 40 note 40 di chu vocal punch na. Crescendo pa piano note kiti pa chu a hi di phale microphone na control dan chu them chak them in lang na. Next round na thu nge le na
ah,
chu ta bang chu aza nang them in oh
yes, sir.
a hoi wale chun alas na a conclusion na ending part chu na
Ah,
a o chu te chu leng leng hia a music te ki tu chata naga to pa chu na
ah,
chu anal wale kan style thet yang nge
kakipai.
ki pau me
Hello, Zafet.
Hi, sir.
Well done, man.
Thank you.
Let me start with a good point. I really believe with a little bit of vocal coaching, you can be a real star.
Thank you.
It's only you really need to work hard, na.
Yes.
So it's a pang chana in the line. You really have a very good potential in becoming a star. So I want you to work hard to let key change the ball na pa na. And I want to say that the song choice was so good. Whitney Houston wang chu kiti na ding as one hitas na le. One hitas me. Na leng fu mama zingin a key change alas lang ngam na le. Chaba them chakat wang alengin na. But I still believe in you. Ha ziling kizil be in lang. I believe you'll be a star someday, okay?
Thank you.
Tuna aba nading ina contestant number 34 RK Lanzailio amai samahi.
Hello, RK. Nang zikai di no?
Ay Imphal-dagi.
Imphal-dagi? Acha, sung tham lai bang si so?
Nate, imanabida. Imanabi
Oh,
hoy
naman na bidalay ba? Kaway da?
Saikot ay bra.
Saikot ta. Ngasi di pazan na tabak pra?
Ay, kang di.
Kang di eh. Okay. Ado, nang nangasi tawag dali ba dance eh? Karamba style no?
Most tiko K-pop da dum.
Oh, K-pop. Okay. I wish you the very best and enjoy the stage. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
자꾸만 훑어보는 눈빛이 네 맘과 다른 너는 멈칫이 우스꽝스럽단 걸 왜 너만 몰라 새빨간 거면 같은 표정도 잘난 척 베베꼬린 말투도 빛깔이 우연히 급속히 같이 널 열어 This is where the players at. Give away. Turn me up now, turn it up. Come on, shake it up now, shake it up now. Turn it up now, turn it up now. Oh yeah, yeah. Got no time for haters to run the bad guys and the players. I'm like la di da da di da 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 di da di da.
Solo riding, barely trying. They know to call me when they wanna get it poppin'. Sweet like some honey, but I always go hard. I don't like the drama, but I'll finish what you start. I'm making sure you get the memo. Yeah, I'll meet you up on any level. Yeah, independent, don't need help. Underestimate me, you'll be playing yourself. Oh my me, oh my God. How this girl gets so fat. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Oh my me, oh my gosh. How this girl gets so fat. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy.
Abusada.
Careful with the song choice you come up with for the next round. So I wish you the very best for the next time.
Thank you, sir.
Tuna abana dingina Kup Swan Mung contestant number 25.
Original song te.
Lala mo.
Ah,
Okay. Non kiging hoy kaging ta. Hoy taga so din naman hiya le. Sa kedin entute mi pite din.
man thâu.
Original song na chilang po hiya banga.
Dấu chẳng xét lâu ngã mau chỉ gì.
Love song ya or
Rap đọc lắm.
ha?
Đọc lắm.
Okay. All the best. So hoy tan soy no.
Alright, sir.
Tuna denai sapenu Kup Swan Mung simti ama contestant number 25 ama isam thakti.
Step up in the game, step up in the game, bow on the beat, fuck what you say. Step up in the game, step up in the game, I'm with KB, I level up the game. Step up in the game, step up in the game, bow on the beat, fuck what you say. Step up in the game, step up in the game, I'm with KB, I level up the game. And I love the game, step up in the game, all about the rap beats, I'm not ashamed. Give me some moves, I don't twist it. Bitches say me, cause I gained the fame. When I was broke, I ain't got no friends. All my friends are dead, gotta go to bed. Sipping red rum, got my eyes so red. There's a reason why I'm dropping so fast. Step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. Bob on the beat, fuck what you say. Step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. I'm with KB, yeah, level up the game. Step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. Bob on the beat, fuck what you say. Step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. I'm with KB, yeah, level up the game. Walking to the road, was already everybody hating me, never blow their kiss. Won't give a fuck, to come on the city, never gonna touch me. Don't take a give me, do what takes me. Yeah, step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. Bow on the beat, fuck what you say. Step up in the game, bitch, step up in the game. I'm with KB, yeah, level up the game.
What happened? You forgot?
Nah.
I'll get it, that's fine. Okay, Chila jo amini piham.
Step up.
Kona sa?
Cái original song là cái phở mà.
Original song na. Kaya saying na, it's a very good thing that you compose your own song, but I'm not sure if there was a very, very good song choice for the competition. As in, so, nang style ka so na like different style ka so point like nang la champion hi ka kya danen betela to kilo na kim rapper kai lo rap na kai it was more like a battle song ja chu akit phale na true kha a hele kai advice nom cha hele I want you to choose a very common song mi tam pit ai ne ting khan na ting khan la I don't know if it's about I mean Jay-Z am tu kam ke boy la khan in again lam na true khai na ke na la ti kham ta khan common ta khan in cover in lam chu na skill ta pa chu in so as you can see no me originality is good but competition na thing lam khan ha ka sai na just ha se me okay that's it
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Bố.
Hi.
Ala nó kiểu trước. Phải hát sao nó mà chờ. Bởi buồn tàng là giống cái chuyện diễn thì nó thì suốt công tác chỉ tỏ cái thế lên. Ai lại ala nó kiểu là ở bà nó mò. Này khi là cái trong việc năng có gì chỉ có gì sẽ đi chỉ nông kia là ban không mò. Bằng chỉ nông hiện là chỉ cái là rồi hiện mò. Ở do mình luôn nên again that's one again the stage is yours. Chỉ về là mò lại. Ở chỉ là bằng năng hoàn năng hoa dùng tại cái suang là tạo năng. Ala năng kia là về lên. Nó là sản xuất trên stage năng thua về lên. Mò. na sa khia na gel khia pen ko no ko zial zial nei chu na la thu khen khat khu mi ko na ho mi chil ko na encourage na mo vel mo le ku che ko bang ja ki so la na sa mo hudan min hilo ti ala na ngen hi le na sa khia le zong ko ati na chi mai ti ile zong ki so la na bo la ti lo o ile le ko ba na ham ka chami na ho ka na ham to la na sa na vocal pia khu nim chuk chuk difference le ti wa ga ane ta mo I have decided chỉ đã được tiêu rồi đi la in check the vocal của tổ mong vậy i phá lâu thì cần tận dụng aku mi phát ra là aku mi ông tụi cái cái sáng này next round là true ngày ngày lấy nhau cái aku xuống tôi bảo ông kia cái nó sạ bốc bốc đi mày nó true là cái chuyện này cái bài cái
thank you sir mongตัว English นั่นเรียนเป็นมองไอ้เป่าเสียงตะกินไอ้ด้านตะกินนั่นเรียนหลังยาวที่เราตอนเรียนเป็นจะเราเคยจะเห็นแล้วนั่นเรียน English นั่นเรียนเจ้าด้านนี้นะแสดงว่าเขามีเป่าคนสัญญาไว้ก่อนข้าตัวอิโซเป็นข้าโซเสียงเท่านั้นจึงว่าอินฟังมาดีมูเลป้าอินกวนอินเอียดเห็นจึงว่าลัทธิวาเอินฟังมาดีให้จุกเก็นอันนั้นปากปีเราก็เห็นมาบ้านนั้นเป็นว่าไง
Contestant number 12 Sonia Lamngai Chin Samahi. Broken down and tired of living life on merry-go-round. You can find the fighter, but it's in you, so we're gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out. And I'll do it 1,000 times.
Thank you.
Piano, drum sign, even the high hat on the king low the sound. A sound 90% se mai mo. Kali lopen mak wa dan last kan sangap lo ke. Vars kata lak kata lo sa de le sangap lo ke. Kon pak lo mak mo. Wa cha e kal alas na ba ba. Conclusion na head note nan sa. Na bang mo ay bang apits atom na flat lo mo cha pai to im ilen ng chik present no ka concept ni chuk ada banga as nakal di yakon kinian ta mo ket chu hoi solo pen ma but I can save you alone ya solve siano ma ya musician ma ya detector hoi ma moment chen lo kon kian na ka
Sonia, mas pen kalangay no ta chule laha asata na neng sazin neng kapkain pa sa mama zingin chila chu one of my already na kangay may zing chule I have listened so many covers of that song, okay, so it is very hard to impress me with that song, but I should say you did it okay, not the best and not very bad, but okay. That means it's not bad, okay? Is only you have a very long way to go, okay? With a little bit of training and a vocal coaching, you'll be a very good a very good singer in the future. So don't lose hope and keep going there.
No, ka ngay mo. Ka ngay le ka atam zo. Na ocho hoy kasa powerful hinle I aling na hun tam lo mo. Out of tune. Nathi siya me? Wai kanan pilwang mama di. Tuai chidana ka ki khatna lak di hak sa di. Mabana nang kizil hoy mama di chi konde isak ka kipa ka.
Ready? Okay, music.
पास आए दूरियां फिर भी कम ना हुई एक अधूरी सी हमारी कहानी रही आसमां को ज़मीं ये ज़रूरी नहीं जा मिले इश्क सच्चा वही जिसको मिलती नहीं मंजिलें रंग थे नूर था जब करीब तू था एक जन्नत सा था ये जहां वक्त की रेत पे कुछ मेरे के छोड़ गया तू कहाँ खुशबुओं से तेरी यूं ही टकरा गए चलते चलते देखो ना जन्नते कर यही तू दिखे क्यों नहीं चाँद सूरज सभी है यहाँ इंतजार तेरा सदियों से कर रहा प्यासी बैठी है कब से यहाँ हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी
แทนให้เสียมละเตอna flexible dan makasalat dala bangcha nangi chido ka flexible dan gen thei dam bangcha nai chanon lam thei mo ka
Asero.
Kizi.
tuna judge tela ma panina comment na ngai di
Itna yoga mere beti. Yoga hai mai. Yai zo BBB tian thele anak expose lo ma adiu. Modern thele le astar lo ma adi. Boy. Vala lompoi mo.
Oh,
Khoi nge uma.
mùi veng ạ.
Muya venga mo. Thiam lutuk.
Thank you.
Chuanin heti AI thiam zok ti turin scan round I through ni chuan mo inin zil chawang cho heti AI nal zok
Who taught you the dance?
Miss Marcy.
And where is Miss Marcy? Where is Miss Marcy? Okay, I wanna see. I wanna. Okay.
Hey Marcy
Okay.
con làm sắc đã đi boy
See, you are very flexible, and in our town around here, it is very hard to find a very flexible dancer. Okay, such as me and also Miss Marcy. We are not flexible as you are, so you can be a very great dancer around here and even farther than here. So, and the one thing I wanna give you an advice about the performance today was that the song was great, and you were performing a very great show, but I feel like there was less choreography. Choreography beset lo daning ke na mar a flexibility bo chu a so to kilowin na ja chu akit ting le na hil ting a hilewang chu a bit ho jong zui han lang ala thu ho dung zui en them khat lam bele nal che de chu kan he sai hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
ning thian hoi contestant number 6 ama isama hi
Ready? Okay, music.
सांवली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी अंडे की बोतल में तेरा अपना रे तुझे गट गट मैं पी लूं देखो कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू
tuna just tela mapat komen am le inangai khedi
hoi
Yes, sir.
na bet chanan suboy ya boy boy lo mo na kholo e hu chan again contestant ana so hin tele a bet chin asuk boy ziak a ana hi fu khalo chi bang le hon the siam lo ma ka hi wa ma khon didak teu lo ka hi wo
Yes, sir.
bet chanan suk boy khak diu chi na la uja ka bet na lak khya ko le poi ma lo hi o
Yes, sir.
e alas na chet an lam dan bangina adang te kha konfi the le chen chu hai dia adia ka ama sa pen bang coca cola tu mo wai kha neng chik khon copy ke le te kartik to anania lam dan pen khama wai chik neng chik copy bang sim mo le anania ya nu anu kha apa sal ba kartik mo le apa sal pen na the bang chanan no me pen the lo we i nang chik bollywood ta pen chmai ni nana copy om ke la no ma o na pot ke pen khamo om the le wai ki de hi o next na thua le wai sa nang on compose am piang the le o le hoi lo siam lo o
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Tian Hoi.
Hi.
Na team Mama Zingin.
Thank you, sir.
Kain say nom chahile. You have a very beautiful smile. Nalam tiang ai le na. Na mai so ji a chu ki ho mi pi ho hin ka vet nom cheu he o. Ji a chu keep smiling. You have a very good smile. Chule the second thing is na energy jong oi Mama Zingin your energy. Ahoy Mama Zingin. Chule tu a the bad point. The finishing, the execution was very bad. Abul lang na lam hoy. We were like, wow, huti vanga akichay na achu ki hello na le. Nobody knew that it was going to end there. So akichay na pen hoy is pin execution ya hoy lo tiang ahile. Maban masanga ho chu hoy le jong le chun execution hoy lo ahile mi pi ho chu wow ati thelo cho. They can't clap their hands. So next time when you edit your music, make the execution very good, like boom, bam, then ki posin lang na chai di khut ting le mi ho hong thanom di cha. Otherwise, it was very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
stand number 46 name zaral samahi
dâu gầm lê hồi xin cùng lâu ba niềm gil ya ngoan lê guam te elom sa nghe pa khoi tam pi te pa dâu văn tôi te hong lun to wa xian ma nga ding hong kipya nang lê cây xian ma nga ding xian ma ngin hong răng
azia mai tu na just dia lama pa ni na comment na ngai khedi
Hello.
Hi.
Rolly. A last verse ha. Ala thu mangil khat na nei kha ya. Ai kele na oi lo na di tan oi noi khak na om ya. Ha?
Ka oi lo na di tan.
Oi kha ma le. Le wai khan na ma ya kilang kele ken thei teu lo di. Na ma yung kilang ai ve. Oh. I ala thu hoi lo. La kai le hoi lo. Mo. Alak thu hoi la kai le hoi mo. A music le hoi lo. Hille yai rao na din khaning chik chu a simple khalo ze. Oh. Anon che ya gam ngai la zola na sa ya salo mo. Pathian la to gam ngai la mo le. Next round no thua le zo gam mo cha ne heu tu pa mo lal pho abang mai very unique. Wa ta da bung sane asken chia cho plus so le hello calculator apung on pd mai mo I na music a genre pen kha ning chik banga yai ra na dina ananiam kha je ka mo le na confia ala thua na tenga no amisa mo ilelen na vocal kha competition hi chi na thei ja kan neng chik sap tik de ke ve sap I chi kha aki tunga pai flat hi lo sap I chi kha aki tunga pai wai am khajak jang wai kha ni wai ana neng chik ana film kur deu no le
Ole.
Hello.
Hi.
Cái chú ấy khá lâu mấy thế là hết. Cái công cái nộp chơi lệ vocal nếu chắc không nghe được mà bạn à local sonjel thế này đừng mặc chú bangul kapi ku lewang chú ka bangul kapi ku ahem ai lewang chú không nghe đáp mai cái tên team lewang samai thế team lewang salo mai thế cái he body movement kha ahoy na chungin jika chu hoi kasa aila facial expression mo ala dung juya vak nuya hem ailo le vak tai siu siu hem kha apoi mo kasa azo phale apani na dinga chon wording expression athu kha kipak na hele akipak na campaign kha mo a wording pen na kha nang la o kha su theile chun ki pa doi kasa azo phateile jitaka awarding lahung lamdung jia nang ma ki pak na hem da na ma hung pota jikha a hidigol taka om pen kha jidinga kha kala etaile ala umpo thilang dang chuka len thona hele le jipen kha tununga around dang lahung kai ki tai le jipen jo khale hung kizil deula chun kanoma atop na dinga chun vocal kitimo mong he la satuten I heading apoi mo pen pen chu ka oina hi atungem ai loile ka oina hi tung lovem ti pen he hoi taka smooth deva sak dole gen do hi poi mo ma hi zikin jipen khale hung kizil de na la le chun kanoma ji chu ka ba gen hode la bol phama mai ka ki pa
Okay, guys.
ngai mon ching contestant number 30 na mai sama hi
This your body where you give me, they make me one day do like a go na go like a go na go. Sasha make you give me shit on, they make me one day do like a go na go like a go na go. Make you no go do
your human access to your villa. Just as on your weakness, all the thing on your human, they all have to know how to play. She say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And she claim you turn up, you turn up, you turn up.
Don't act like you forgot. 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 I call it shot, shot, shot. Better have my money. Like pop, pop, pop. Pay me what you want. Like pop, pop, pop. Better have my money. Like pop, pop, pop. Pay me what you want. Better have my money.
Sing.
Yes, sir.
xiam lo dậu dậu chả này.
Thank you.
Bảo khát step na làm cái chuyện đi tắm lo mà mò lá bằng tắm mò na kiếm nhá.
Kim tâu.
Hi lili na xiam lo mà chị có thấy à mò. Why cả là na amai na spoil ni ana giống ngã mò ken. Ajak cho nan din tung a full mark mo sana voi. Neng chik na movement kha la khata pan la khat nong ki hi nong lam dek chaka na step na lak pin khamo banga agep sung kha na hi mai la if you can do some step mo wai cha wai ba na la khen khat bang kha adram kha apan songom za te ve wai bang kha na movement kha cha na khut khong na khi khong a move kha powerful lo lo banga powerful điều na nang chik move je le chen mo china ông hội rồi đi hội lo adang tang cho hội lo hội zok na đi ting nó hội zok xem na đi con cái này
Hi Ting.
Hi.
Na bol hoy mama zingin.
Thank you.
First of all, I really like your outfit. It suits the choreography and na expression ng ohin na. So like kasi mga bangin, you have a very smooth moves na nataasa to namang teamin na. I like the way you use your body. So le kasi nung pen le today I feel like nalam to them cut slow kasay. I feel like the moves were a bit easy na. Competition nating in them cut slow up kasain. Masanga na performance sang tutungahi anal mo daning kamuin na. But I really believe you can do better than this. Nalam cho asawa sao. For me, to be honest, I don't prefer a very long dance na. Asaw sa nga chu chom chai din very fast. Energetic ta na. Meaningful ta minute ni la tumizong le. Chom channel ta na bol ri pa ka din na. Next time, I want you to come up with a bigger challenge and make it short and hot na. Thank you.
Itu niya Chief Yesu Heutunu Marcy K. Khaute Assistant Professor Faculty of Law University of Delhi hi amawa siya hiya ama stay sama hun la din sama wai komina momento piagle uta ki uta hi manina momenton piak sakdina i-convenor pu silian ama isamdi.
Tribals Got Talent 2021, Enhancing Culture Through Arts, Memento. This memento is presented to SMT Mercy K. Khaute, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, in appreciation and gratitude for gracing Tribals Got Talent as a chief guest. James Thangloy, Chairman, Zaufida, Silian Langel, Convenor, Film Festival Committee, organized by Zaufida.
I would want to first of all express my heartfelt gratitude for having me here. And as I was sitting there, I was enjoying the show. And even if I was to be paid an 8-digit figure, I don't think I can come and dance or, come and sing. So I have a confession to make that I have never danced on stage. Never in my life have I danced. So when I look at the kids come and perform, it's very, very heartwarming. So I will not take too much time, but there are just 3 things that I would just want to put across today. Now that we have these young children come and dance and sing and showcase their talent, I think it's very important to realize that talent are indeed a gift of God. So we need to enhance, we need to hone that. And I think the first step towards that, through my personal experience, is that we need to educate ourselves. So if you're interested in choreography, and this is something I would want to tell the contestants, that if you're interested in choreography, it's important to understand which branch of choreography you are interested in. So you need to educate yourself so that, because the market is, it's a very difficult time that we all are going through. So there's a lot of competition. So unless you are the best, you're not going to be the winner. The second point that I just want to draw across is, when you educate yourself, you need to evolve. So if you don't evolve, you're going to be stagnant. So it's important that we grow. And the only way we grow is, the growth begins when we start evolving. And the final point that I would just want to draw across is that we need to excel in our lives. Because there's just one winner in the race. If you look at the Bible, we all are Christians. It says very clearly that there's just going to be one winner. So it's very important that we excel, and it's very important that we give our best in everything that we do. So on that note, I'll just want to call one of the organizers so that I can just, also express my token of gratitude, a very, very small token of gratitude. So can I request one of the organizers to come up, or can I just pass it?
tung na ding ni mua la hong swak ti jai ta răng lui tên du pa ki lung toa wa kha tin zo lo tiu wa bang ge in zo ta ten kut kha toi ke kat swan ni wa yo e lung ki tuak tui bang luang ko wal eng lo vin kut ki len ma tiang swan ko ni vai mang siam mang sin lia le tang o u pa khan goi tua le lem ya bang zun ve ni sian mang ban zalin lum bang hong sum he le tam sin tu ji bang tu ko min sai la oi tong kun kom ve ni tak sin tu ko min sai la oi tong kun kom ve ni
Heo tu nu, heo tu nu, kat về. À, con nghiền đi. Mau lời. Linda kha cái sang à lá na sama sazo. Kasini rahi ya. Wajah kena tu tanah hit citu kasat helai ya mo. Wajah kan kon zata lo pem ma.
Thank you, thank you. Kakipake.
Thank you. How to know Linda Biaglun Zaila Siam tak ono isak zakina ma tunga kipa thu ka gena hi. Tuna bana contestant number 10 hoi nun fel amai samdi.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky.
Bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm that bitch and he know. Like how your wife and needs that, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. That's the gang still cold, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't do the LeBron nut.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, diamond district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Like you shoot.
Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my money.
Tuna just tela mapat komen no male na ngai heding.
Hi, Phil.
Hi.
Wow, that was a great performance.
Thank you,
And
sir.
finally, a very good execution. I like the ending part, like ting. That was so good. I think it was a great performance. And if you go through this round, then next time, I really hope it will be much better than this. So all the best.
Thank you, sir. Tuna abana dingina contestant number 45 descendant Mino amawi samahi.
Hello.
Hello. Now we are going to perform again for the second time. The first time was it was an accident and the sound system was not good. So now we'll try our best. So the judges, you you judge us well.
Okay.
You judge us well.
Show us by action, okay?
Okay. You get hype up.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2,
Okay, it's a freestyle. Let's give it up for Decent. Sweet. Judges. Dip. Two sounds. What you gonna do with that big fat butt?
Wiggle, wiggle, win.
Thank you.
Hello. Descent and Mino. Which one descent was it? Do you know?
Descent.
Descent. What instrumental drum kit that you're using in the first part? Is it analog, brass kit, industrial, electro,
Drum.
dance kit?
Drum.
Drum.
Right.
Which drum?
BMG snare.
BMG. Then the kick of the drum, that pedal. Is it analog, brass,
Food
dance?
drum.
Huh?
I don't know.
And the bass?
But
Bass. Yeah. Which bass? Slap, electro, or fusion?
I don't.
You should know.
Okay.
Oh, na ball tel na the yung ngay. And which, you know? Hello?
Oh, hello.
Trumpet pen ka bang sound na le bang trumpet? Is it trumpet or is it saxophone?
It's only trumpet.
Trumpet. Trumpet. That's a little bit. Huh?
Trumpet, only trumpet.
Okay. Khát về cho con hiện ngày đây về hôn bồi mọi mày thấy cái ole mua lol lol
Zalama le kon patang mama nahi huwa. Zalama kon chi ma bang nan khat be thun perform homa ma. Aki pa wai mama. Uchikom kala so pen kha hoi takan perform hinapia. Ei pen ikisak dan ma. Lung sim subuai thei di hiam bang hiam hong hi khak le poi ma minus point no ma hi o. Theu ma.
bang khat drummer pa pen mo na drum mat pen analog kit ahia mo basement ka fusion kit jang nei chu adjust te kha pick la mak su magun le ye sidan de khat mo na trumpet pen kha brass honging dek afar amas pen chu trumpet ya mo next na kha brass hi dek dek ka right okay
amas lang at na single na ball hanin na chule sound zong he beshet pon chule beatbox kiti chu it is for hearing, right? Then if it doesn't please the ear, then it's no use, right? So masang happen so he beshet pon izong le this time that's why ako na advice ho na la honin duo mong nan ball hanin na and this time it was really pleasing to the ear and you guys did a great job.
If you go next round, if you do next round, yai sanga na sa bit nuam te mi pi lam thei din o.
Yes sir.
Ki phur man lo vui.
Yes jeje.
Yes phur din o le. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tuna abana digina James Rochan puya. Contestant number 36 samahi.
The hop, you don't stop. That's effects with the real hip hop. To the hip, the hop, you don't quit. That's effects, and we came to rip shit. Yo, well on your mark and get set. Can't forget to go. In case you didn't know, the flow is fat like Joe. Yo, you nigga they know that I'm back, man. You whack, man. I eat a rapper like I'm Pac-Man. I figured you bring it straight from the cellar. Ferrilla, packing more hits than Lou Pinella. I swallow a nigga in his eye. If he test me, you don't impress me. Yo, books kick the rest. G. One time for your mind. Hey yo, what up is the crew bringing the ruckus? No doubt we's the roughest dream team. Reign supreme like a cutlass getting duckers. The dope, you can't touch the flow. It's me, the nigga with G, the B, double O, K, S. So say yes and bust your caliber when I pop shit and rock shit like Metallica. Sticks through the hearts of them snake fake niggas. Them all up in my face, jealous of my tape niggas. So honey, shake your fingers and show me what you got. Das effects with the real hip hop. To the hip, the hop, you don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop. To the hip, the hop, you don't quit. Das effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip, the hop, you don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop. To the hip, the hop, you don't quit. Das effects and we came to rip shit. Next nigga to quote me. I hope he got more miracles than Smokey. Won't be no discussion. Strictly head crushing, lead crushing through your body. You're in my danger field like Rodney. Howdy, I'm back up in that ass, G Kaplawi. And now we got the game to a T like Howie. Allow me to introduce myself and my peeps. Straight from the sewer, staying true to the streets. Well, it be me, crazy, bringing up the rear. I swear, we got to hold it down there, yeah. So there, now let me crack a beer and kick my feet up. Turn the heat up, and spiggity smoke all the weed up. Kids I eat up, with the style that's the newest. My crew is getting more run than Carl Lewis. It's from the sewers, now you see me on the top. So stop and recognize the niggas on your block. To the hip, the hop, you don't stop. Sound effects with the real hip hop.
This time, I feel like the dance was, there was something new in the dance, right? I feel like you added much more grooves, right?
Old school groovy.
Yeah, I really like that, man. I think you should teach me sometime. You have a very great swag, and that is very fun to watch. And you even added some groundworks, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. It's good that you can like mix some different styles like grooves, popping, and even those groundworks. I think it was great. And I wish you the very best for the next round. And I'm expecting more for you, from you for the next round. Thank you.
Puya. Ipe ko kuri wang kan ni boya me.
เพลงเขาคุยเลยอีอามามเราว่าการไปที่
Kaka i boy lo ka makkat lo to ka. Vain aing lo boxya chuwang chon makkat boxya. Karon save ani cho. Ithiam lo to.
กันเราไหม
เพย์คกชุยอัดชัดโลตูร์ข้า rules and regulation ออมโลอารามซัวอัดอย่างเช่นที่ซัวโม่เขาข้าอีบัวง่ายโลวะ
Tuna abana dingina contestant number 39 the pride amawi samahi.
I try to level up, but I don't know why. This feelings inside me was never mine. Gotta admit that I've wasted so much time. I wasted so much time for a hopeless love. So much pressure from the other side. I think the only way is suicide. It's so hard that I can't even cry. I'm totally out of my mind. Can someone show me paradise? This music's barely keeping me alive.
But I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
Pass it. I can pass it. Can't pass it. I can pass it. She gon' let me fuck when I wanna fuck, when I want it. Talk to me nice, talk to me dirty. Can't pass it. I can pass it.
I got $500 in cash in case they don't take Amex. She wanted to see me, so now I'm headed to the annex. Sorority house, she snuck me in. She tried to keep quiet, couldn't hold it in. I mean, the bed was too springy, the room was too dingy. You really can't blame me, I found her on Hingy. Life is a movie, but the only acting I do is acting on impulse. No stress pimples.
I've been meaning to make you moist, meaning to make some noise. Willing to spend the night, so it could just be you and me. Hey, back shots, tryna give you back shots. Booty too big, is that ass shots? Hey, your nigga ain't a player, he a mascot. Hey, just tryna get you wetter than my last watch. Drippy.
Nuam Aziaz.
Hello, the
Hi.
bright color. The bright color mo. Who's the choreographer?
Both.
Huh?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Ana cho zanita step kha athang tam in ka sheet. Adik tero. Zanami step khamo athang tam in ka sheet.
Oi.
Huh?
Yeah. Some.
Yeah. Mo. Okay. Minang nisin chu athang tam ka tino ding na. Nang nile kan athang tam ka sheet nom. Nang khom kha asana ichang tero mo. Khalei khan im install kha ani nang pe ding na. If you can do alone, if you can compose your own, mo, ข้าก็จุดชัดตบดิ่งอ๋ออีทีมนกก็เตียนหนอมั้งนล้อมนกไปติดเลยในเสียมสิกจินาช่วยเรามั้งโอ้ยตลอดกี่ไงตะสงกองสาวไปแล้วกันนั่นนี่วะมั้งผู้ด่านาคุอันนี้เสียจงผู้สั่งหอยจะน้องบอลเดียวอ๋อ
Wow, the pride color. Okay, I must pen in the pride color. I mean, in Miss Pihondo.
We name it after like we want to make our dance teacher, our parents and friends proud. So we name it after that.
Oh, that's great. To be honest, I feel like this dance was so much like 2 times better than the previous one.
Thank you.
It was the synchronization was great, and there was a part when you missed it, right?
Yep.
But it happens all the time, so it's good that you catch up very quickly. And kasi nung kadto hile, I should say the execution was not that good. Execution iti nga hile like the music is inaso na. You should at least pause for like 2 or 3 seconds na. Some kadang tinicho. Ami kaya na mo adno pa hanjo like some tata king azihon nila like make the crowd say crowd hon khora be ka nga azihon to like next time chule ano may nu ako na I feel like expression them khat vajab ka sayo aze chu lama chu na focus val yong hintin na next time be more comfortable and expression them khat hung ki improve better otherwise it was a very great performance. Thank you.
Thank you.
City Light, te samdi nga mau ka contestant number 7 na hi.
Hello. Yeah.
In my head like a wrecking ball. I feel like I open my eyes and now we're losing all. Said I would do anything and go away just see you smiling. Give it a comfort that you need. Gonna walk till my feet bleed. God told me planted our own shit. Remember the first day that with me. I feel we joy that I can feel my blood rain through my vein. Forgetting all about the pain. Walk we kiss and go to the place that you want that you show. I remember second and every step we made that it should good and we came. But it was the best day of my life. From the own words I think I feel better now. But nowadays I doubt. Love where did our life go now? You wanted me to meet a family the next time that I come to you. And I did, yes I did. Had a convo with your brother and he don't even matter. We have the same interest. I know I'm not the best, but the one I give you whatever that you confess. You know I'm scared to make you words about it. Say it through text. Love next time, let's meet as a better person. I don't know why your worries are.
But I'm fucking hopeless. Thinking about the days I'm broken by the days are gone. I'm broken by the days are gone. I'm broken by the days are gone. Yeah, I'm broken by the days are gone. Broken by the days are gone. Feels like your blessing for me. Feels like we got a real connect the foes. Our bodies one wonderland. Don't believe in destiny. This is how we're meant to be when you're next to me. So tell me, girl, would you ever free? And I told so that right here I wanna be a main thing, but it got shooting bang bang, but I ain't never gang bang. Tell me that the past limit higher than the airplane. Told my baby, don't you cry to me, cause I feel a pain. Told my baby, don't you lie to me, even if I'm lame. If I put you in a grave, I bet your mama go insane. That's what I'm trying to maintain. How can I be a better person without you? I need you now. I need you now. I'm drowning in my tears, love, can't you see? was lost in the dark, you were punch on my heart. Never thought I'd laugh again, cause I experienced all the pain. It will always be the same if we choose another lane. I could be a Spider-Man and you could be my Mary Jane. Wait, Dan, remember the time when the forest met? You were so sad and drowning all along sweat. Yeah, I first date when well, I was shy to tell that I fully fell. I was drowning in your spell, getting locked up in your hell. We were smiling every day, thought you would always be my babe. But everything changed when we started acting strange. It ended up with a breakup, I regret and I want to make up. I miss you, I need you, I want you, I love you. I wanna have another day, but it was already too late. I tried to please, I even say please, but you say put on your clothes and please just leave.
Thank you.
Cái mà không kịp bận gel đó lệ, boy mai khăn năng ahi mo tao nó tôi biển khá, bây giờ cái na abul lama khá, non cái copy đẹp mo cả nên chắc na gam lát bò la mo, năng ahi mo am lệ tele poi mà lo vặt lệ tele poi lo hi, bây giờ cái na cái giác thấy đi na on sai la mo, na combination hội lụa, melodic bang lệ sát thấy mo lo, rapper lệ hi với.
Thank you, sir.
Melodic alung liang la te la sa thei apun la te le sa thei e pawa men gen le mo
Thank you, sir.
nani wa board mo combine then hi wa siam lo mo no combination hoi hilele mi pi to combination neng chik mi pi to phur ti dan no kan neng chang ki sirun la mo
Yes, sir.
mo
Yes, sir.
wa ai chu hoi lo hi ha e abang hele no la ma hoi ta kan non sa thei ja kan kon pak to lo o
Thank you, Pak.
pak ke
First of all, I really love the song. There was
Thank
a
you.
great composition. And what's your name, bro?
I'm KKOS.
I really like the rap, the first rap. That was awesome.
Thank
I
you,
almost
sir.
had a goosebump. I feel like nang ni na rap chu na team play honin na yong le la sa lam pang them chakat wang var ka sain na ja chu ka sei nom chai le it's never too late na le la sa lam mi them khat hung kisil be honin lang tu ang ka sei tu ai competition ki chai jong le ma ba na jong na you I believe hoita na kisil hona na bol hona le wang chu journey hoita ta sang ta chan ge na nei thian cho ti ja chu la sa jong hung improve honin lang rap lang awang chu you both did a great job.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
City light kichile charan chalpin film hi amo why mean e dut bangona city light on the stage achi ja no hon ngak la thei din hon ki satau no le
Yes,
sir.
Hello. Gen no pakhat kawang niya. Rap iti patay le. Music avak ngai chum na hong umjat. Ai lo le drum ai lo le banga bass hem khat ahung ngai zot una pe da kon rap iti mo mong chu zitak a point a zone chet da ko I ole ngai zot zot ding pen kha mo nau kan long bol zo de bo ba je pen kha la film kurma madun ka doja tuma banin le rap iti phat patai le achi zom jeng kha hilova mo akal ka a music angai dung je I o ki china su ngai zot zot pen kha mo jitak lai ta kha hit pick dan kong team le sun ka doi sak na kong lan
Thank you, sir.
thank you siam lo
Thank you, sir.
siam lo chi ai
Tuna aba na dingina contestant number 29 Vungnun Siam isamahi.
The news came to Jesus. Please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. Jesus, he did not come, and they wondered why. The death watch was over, buried for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Martha ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him, he'd still be alive. But Lord, 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. But his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand, he's been there for days. The gravestone was rolled back, then Jesus cried, Lazarus, come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You cry to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not appeared. Friend, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same. He'll soon be here, he'll roll back the stone, and he'll call out your name. When he's 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. But his way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Oh, my God is great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Thank you.
Wow, giá mấy. Vì bị tế băng cho cái cầu bên mà mò, nên nervous á.
Ý.
Nun siam,
Hi, sir.
bang siya ke boy, chief guest itu ni tak, chief guest no la de ma manon samoka. Wase kena, ken ka comment dipen amanon comment deve.
Hello.
Hi.
How old are you?
10.
You're 10 years. I think I was very, very impressed with your performance because it's very obvious that you felt it, you know, when you were singing. I could see that you were enjoying the song, and nobody would have justified the song as much as you did. So I wish you all the very best and be a great singer, and someday I will definitely buy your audio tapes.
Thank you.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you.
Oleh, kipak hoy boy. Thank you.
Tuna abana di ina lingneo hang mi contestant number 21 na maisamahi.
phong ba xuống âm đi ina ta chẳng ba phao kỳ đi bên đi đâu ai na thăng đốc ba yên thốc ba na ta đâu ai na u hao ba khang hao ba yung din si nang đi na đâu
Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're women, let me see your hands. Stand up and salute. Get your killer heels, sneakers, pumps, all lace up your boots. Representing all the women, salute. So ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're with me, let me see your hands. Stand up and salute. Get your killer heels, sneakers, pumps, all lace up your boots. Representing all the women, salute, salute. It's who we are, we don't need no camouflage. It's the female that I want, we're taking off. If you're with me, women, let me hear you say. Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're with me, let me see your hands. Stand up and salute. Get your killer heels, sneakers, pumps, all lace up your boots. Representing all the women, salute, salute. Attention, salute. Attention, salute. Attention, representing all the women, salute, salute.
O grave faz tu e a bunda dela bate, 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 bate. E o grave faz tu e a bunda dela bate.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area.
Ain't a bad girl, I know I am. And I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't want a boy, I need a man. Click, clack, bada bing, bada boom. 문을 박 차면 모든 날 바라본 굳이 애써 노력 안 해도 모든 남자들의 코피가 팡팡팡 팡팡 바라바라 팡팡팡 지금 날 위해 축배를 짠짠짠 Hands up 내 손에 바라 폴라 해니 네가 말로만 듣던 걔가 나야 Jenny Still heavens
Light up, Skechers. Light up my bag. I like your Skechers. You like me, my Gucci shoes. I'll buy you the best only if you show me your boobs.
Hello Linh Neo. Nó lên lòng. Khát về nuôi đó. Abula nó làm pensi pita de làm mình cho. Lon sin na do na. Sila cho. Alam mình bị tiam.
Na tàu do.
Hả?
Na tàu do.
Na tàu do nó le. Beres cho. Na tàu do ikhad ala official music video na ver kham. Na ver khalis na le. Na ver ako veta anu ko la sa atyang ala ko nui se suwa hatu do hen ho na amit ha ho to hita expression na balls na le nui se suwa sa na le atire na lama chu nui se si ana lama la na sa ngai ti nei cho cho sakit phale hoita nan ki gel to ding chule tu chung na lami na thiem poiwang ka ti poin hi jong le tiktok lam tam pi zau na le na beta chu tiktok ki ti hi na mi hon mi zau si ball thei dinga ball cho tiktok dance move ki ti ho hi mi zau sia dang ki ball hin tin ki te na dang ki ball lo cho na lamang to sawal ka sa indian akit phale na thru kha banga hi le chom cha na ball ding chom cha ka ti wanga chom wal lo dina tua sanga saw se ngai lo chom cha ka ding ha ai ding na la na li di kit phale to skimel chi in lang chule hoiten ki gong to le
Contestant number 43 of our girls day samahi.
You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta put in work. You don't gotta go to work. Let my body do the work. You can work from home. You can work from home. You can work from home. You can work from home.
Hello. Normally. Mama girls. Yai hiya ka na ki papi kimi mal takale mo. Mi pi te to mi pi na lam pe kha mi pi te no nen zoi pi che kha ko le nuwa mana sa mo. Yai kha kangak la gigi hiya kimi mal takin chu kon ki papi mama mi pi te na su ki pa ka ko just tenan su ki pa ka na tu ki pa tu kon ge na mabana non lo ching kon di sang mama om.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Chia sang khẩu vòng nó cho mic gạ pete. Na min chui pitai.
Olivia.
Na làm khá cho cần hết rồi. Cô ra phải coi ball tan.
We share our ideas.
Okay. Thì giờ này giống cho cái này tu này giống cái này group idea cho nó hồ bộ này hiện tên na. Giờ next round là thu đi về thì giống cho cái này mình riêng hiện tàu mak dong jang chỉ đến tin na dòng lệ ít đi đã avet nô me mi mi dòng al hayin thì chú ít đi đã chỉ sa next round là chú lệ chỉ sa ngàn na sa zon nên bolo lang na na sang rồi dòng ahoyin asana ki jem loi avoma ki jem loi dòng omen ít đi đã ấy dòng lệ ít đi đã na làm đan rồi chú izo kalau pan se bang sun na na bol tak ngal wang lau na ipiti da apan som zep zepin bol lang na chichu if you through next round na thiam le ove now kan ki pa bi wale
mi pi ho thiam na sa nào vâng okay ama sa penin over girls ka tin na over meaning ipiham.
My name Olivia Elise Victoria OVA.
Okay. Tahi kema honest comment can be this, I should say the first choreography was so good. The expression is zongohin na, energy zongohin, but you really did messed up the second choreography. Did you get it?
Yes.
Do you feel like that too?
Yeah.
Mistake tam bitaum sunale. So le synchronization nung avarin na second dance pen cho. Tija cho kit part le cho tabang cho sat talo de. Kitiat na izaw nga le sun le zana kisil de. Sun le zana na kisil dingo. Part beshet lo ti lo ding. I part na sin cho we have to make use of it na.
Okay.
Kit part le hung hapan even lang, and I wish you girls the very best. Thank you.
So much.
Dina pausuan ka technical neng check problem mo zia kena mo into tele ana thil tu ten in it hesiam diwa mo wa zia kena ama khatve chance sak ki pelai adang te chu hoi taka pai suak ama kha attract to a phone to bayam khat boy nam zia kena I thak sak diwa ole ama sam ni ole
Contestant number 5 Pausuan Lianton Singh Samahi.
Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this
wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got for this wet ass pussy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass pussy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet ass pussy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet ass pussy. Huh?
Siam lo boy.
Get back.
Dena na music abe ina pen bana on ke continue pen mo. Wai bang chu wa bang hong hi lat na dia ma wai bang chu mi pi anung la ma te phur mai ve. I tua wa cha ala bang music bang tel na tel sia ma mo. Sak me la moi la chi bang wa. On kina le ka wa la anung la ma te bang chu. Wah, asa tartung aki khai dek jejen bangan ala mo itu. Yai sa style tu music if you through next round mo. Mi pi suk tok phur the di le. Adjust na cha mi lum jana kon ne the dio na ong kisai no le boy. Ale siam la che ki pa wa
Jing ni no hong suo Đam hoi kin hong se ai xiang lên ding chi leng wal zat min hal lên liang ke a ding in sun khoa son loa sa
Hoàn này băng tung nón tay băng bao hồ là cho cái rột cho cái lình nghe em
xuân đi mùa hồng lia min sol pha hồng tang non dia mùa lem sa hun te ngain mim va băng thum rong lên kỳ ngày hay na đằng lung cúp đi đi ngom lâu lung toạc xin thu lel phô mà ang lại nào băng pom lại hun giờ lại alom qua lên lâu và băng lên phom lại ni in loa khi hôn reo quan băng hum you by my side, you're always on my mind. Every moment, every day, I need you, baby, you're my love.
Let's go back to the Hepalab Zimi Lamboy, okay? Bong gitarra kilita pela.
Chung mo le la dina apan banin tolin MABA ti zong le chun poison lanu nahi poison lanu melin theleng tang pan tong dong lâu đi mi tâm là nu na thinh đam nỗi sâu thinh vang in ma ngô phản có món ăn chỉ là lẩu điệu những sắc đeo chắc nhé Ipidinga epa netiham kalung de la nu e zonggol hang thing sel kia Ipidinga epa netiham kalung de la nu he u netiding ichume Hoi lang mei tlei nung aham katin cây chun la hong am lâu xa xa hồi lăng mây lấy nung ngả hăng cất tin cây chun la hong am lâu xa xa ibe ma sa burak ka hindi ipidinga hepa nei di ham kalung de la nu e zonggol hang tiếng sel kia Ipidinga hepa de di ham kalung goi la nu e u ne di dik ichume le hole
hiểu từ ba mình luôn hàng mía mà cái sắm đi
na bon chaw ben nila pa nom na sa ki na ubam ke hi professional singer wang ke hi point na tija hi la lang hi ka ki hazil man pon hi zong le lyric ka hin wedding hin ne thim min lang pu be ni khong sai na sa zan to hi pungko hin tan na pungget pungko to nai tan tija chi pilai sa di hum zan pungget pungko okay ahe zau sin sa hom ita
Gan thấy sẽ lung mong mòn cả lệ nghe một lệ sang in ai khen thon dòng lệ các kỳ mù tô dình lon na na hi ngày nu Masanga ilen khona ang nguy dấu tê a thép dấu ta chẳng nên sẽ luôn một món ca lệ nghe cùng khát không chính gì ngô lung đây Mai nu hin ven cho la hi Zan bung ge bung ko don teng le Ke mu to zing hete cho la Bu mon hang cho đến khuất bèo ngồi teng pi ho
love you Ben
Hỏi chân nên chế giống lên Hỏi chân nên giống lên Gel sinh hít tê Iki lung sét na Cùng khát cùng nín Ai khen lon giọng lên I know in vain cho lại giàn bông kê bông cô đón tình lệ kì một tô gì hít tê cho lại Pak lah ni.
Thank you. Help to pa muan hang zo le. Help to pa min nun hang mi. Pa thu ka gena hi. Tu na coordinator pu George de siala mahun la din sama hi.
Tunitak elimination round akhat veina anini na pion pai teng teng tu tan hon tu hon ngai nak pia en tu te teng teng na tungwa kipak thu avelina kon gen thakahi toy ngak la ma mau result ipuang tadi ngwa ngak la tau hia le contestant te na ngak la tau hia okay tu ni ta ka contestant te laka aching te aban banina konsim dia khat kasim khit chiang ina non pai dua hai muna non ding zel diu wai kasim hon pai kalun kha khub nang ana chezel le chu no akhat na over girls hon pai walem Anina the bright color Athumna Selina Van La Lompui Alina James Rochan Puya Angana Zafet Sad Golun Next Sonia Lam Ngai Chin Up next RK Ran Zai Liu ขุดโค้งอินาเบงด้วยอินากิโกเซียวเซียวเซลดิวโอเป่าสวนเลียนตนสิงหอยนนเฟล and นิงเทียนหอยalright อามาเต็งข้าตูนิตากา selection ง่ายฮีวะอามาเตลกาข้า nominee อะ golden buzzer ดีมีขัดเตลเขียกนะดีมีถุม nominee นาอมวะไวเตข้าเดนจังอะจัสเตนฮอนปวงแค่ดีฮีวะไว้มาสังกะเกนุดขัดฮีเลตูนิตากาโลจิงเตข้ากิปาปีหัวยาอันนนเจียงเลนะเปียตูนิตากันนะ perform เปนุค่ะบังมาลวินอากติงนะไม่ฮีจีค่ะเทยุนลันอันนนเจียงบังเฮียมเดนอากจีมาบังมีเตฮีเทโลโนวินนะฮีเทดิดานุนะนะเวกุนะฮอนกิซาอุนลันอะฮิไม่เตฮิโลมีเตเฟนส์เนนะดิคงเลเลฮิโลอีกัมเลอินัมนี่ขัดนี่เจียงrepresentative outside stadium ก็อีลักเฮียมานับไปเทนดีงูจีเป็นข้าคนเดียสกามไว้จากาปันนักปีนะนนละดิวจีคนเกณฑ์ฮีตัวอากิสัมเป็นข้ามาร์กhighest scoring ปะตาข้าอลิสาบ้านบานาฮอนกิสัมสุขฮียตัวเนี้ยสกอร์สร้างเป็นเละอันนนจังอันยามข้าเทโมตัวเนี้ยยามเป็นเละอันนนจังอันสร้างเป็นฮีข้าเทในฮิว it depends on how you prepared and how much you give extra effort. Okay, I hope everyone will be giving effort, but I expect from each and every one of you to give an extra, to add extra word in your effort. Okay, why in chin affair tape na ibola hiya why changa to marks dekha just te total dan hiya ahon piak dan danu kha aching lo ten le anon chiang ha hiai pen kha banga kibilap thak na le katung zo ke hi ale cha mo khasiat lawa anon chiang ha competition khongom chiang na pia pan na lang na dingu hi zo hen lan aching lo te le ngai dan na siam da wai cha aching te le vakisak thei pi luat na di tu ni ta na kha hon mu lo nai lo ka hi chi khaคนเกณฑ์ฮีตูน่ะ nominee เตคนซิมแค่ดีง่ะก็ซิมเขียดขิดเจียงอีนะ just เต็งข้าตูน่ะเฮียสเตจละมาหนไปดูนะคนเกณฑ์ฮีอาจารย์ตากไว้ how to just stayโอเคjust stay mel etin kha aswan huai ma wa anwa ma alung muan huai wa ahi nau iet chiang ina ho ya pata experience very professional ngena hi wa hi pen kha tu tunga tribal got talent mi te sing tang mi te adia i ham phat nau ahi ken alis thum te kon sim khedia huai changa amawina akwa pe na chi pen ahon ki ho ding wa mo hon ki ho ding a kwa pen piak de chi khong kwa pen a hi deu chi khong thei di wei chiang wa nominee number 1 na kwa di ni ging ta wa le golden buzzer adi nga nominee number 1 kwa di na audience te na hon gen ve wa nagin tak pe nu adang la
game wa
okay serial number 2 Selina Valalompui okay ama kha one of the most flexible mo ichi mai di gu nei lo banga igama chorchan pur sungale ma bang bang kha lokol di na kaging takeya yai dan deu pian pi talent nei pen kha igama wang lo ma hi chi kha akiswan wai pia ma kha nominee number 1 for golden buzzer tuna second ala kwa okay second goes to the pride color athum nadin lakwa what okay the third goes to overgirls all right tuna just day on ki ho khiao hian lan amawina adei banguna hun hon lau hele ki ho gu chulu bangado ge nu theu thuai okay
ipuang pa diwam ipuang pa madewina en tu te hin contestant te le serious de utawa aso khan pai hi le kha i serious de udewa just ten edition la khel de kilaw mama i serious dano ki bangve ka hi khel omhen lo dan ki hi akikum a result le ki thei hi ta puang pa mok dila câu chú thầy ta lâu thầy này rồi nó kỳ kinh chỉ tụi hiền lẽ kỳ kinh tất cả cũng mò ai lẽ microphone uzor xin là Justin Pierre hela ken khát ni thum con chỉ điện lâu puang home nó lẽ
Come on.
Are you ready guys? Make some noise. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Overgirls. Con bé lưu lên.
okay kipa huaya overgirls stay please step to the front amai lam de wai han ki line walem
minus mark the lo di mi pi to kalam ka step tia mi ko convince na mo whether I convince the crowd or not next time if mo adu mai to bata de can ki sound la for the singles if I ya kanatel nak lai le chu singles te ka tua sangon dom lo so ti ka hi chi an thei wo okay ole that means you have to work hard okay
Thank you, sir.
thank you best of luck for the next round
khát về con gen lại đi không Justin kha golden buzzer để con tiel khia của hiya i mà ba na kha non suk lung kiak lo diu con tiel ma bangwa non ha pan te te diu chi a hiya
Yes, sir.
Ama sa penin akai ho zo si next round dinga true ho zo si congress ken bol nomen chule akai lo ho zo si zong chu lungnew nan la po wetin na veta e ho langa hi thil khat i bol wa hele kumni kumthum bol zom khat cham lo cha tu changa chiwa selected ho jang hi tu ai winner la zong lew kum khat a bol lo kum khat kumni a bol wa nga over hele akichai dingen na andung langa ho zong chu thil ki ti hi i khat hoi ta i bol la hele thi chan ge ai lo at least 10 to 20 years bol do ngai result bol na dinga just lungnew loading I hope ang kai lo ho zo si zong chu next kum kit lang le zong ti sanga thim zo che am ho sanga zong thim che dinga hung ki gong che ding kai tem no men chule akai ho zo ko ma ka sei nom che hele tu ni chana chu performance ho chu impress ta om nai point na azi chu choreography ho a hi in la ke sa ho ka vet a hele kizil na ya ala sama ma jeng chule originality ki ti apot onai point na kasi banga tiktok ki lam ki ti ho chule lam viral ki ti ho mi zau si bol thei ke ni cho special lo hi le cho ti ja hi kit a para hu cover hit jong le koi ma head beshet lo koi man a bol thei beshet lo na tum ngayo chule la sa ho jong cho kaloi ten chila hi saleng sa thei pon te ti ho ko na thanu ngai cho a very hard one chiwa hi ongai ki ve beshet lo chule mel hoi ki velo a ki ve chu talen ni cho ja chu aha lang na focus di use oh chule abana parahi costume lang zong la sa ho never enough sanu ho bang chu nong ki van tiang wa hele them khat gown ta bang thim ho na dong ki von ven lang dress lang zong video ki la ji dress lang zong focus everything you can say no ma here and all the best to all of you guys.
Right, thank you to all the judges and congratulations to each and every one of you who through for tonight's round, and those who are not selected also. I respect each and every one of you for the effort that you have given for this Tribals Got Talent. Okay, thank you so much. Now you can go back, and I'll have one announcement for the next schedule. Jing ni tak chiang a daguk ma a second elimination round day 1 omnon di nga hi chi kha tu ni ta ka mi pi te hon pai teng teng kya nga hon pai non veka kon ngen thak hi wai ta ni na ka kun kon zo dia City Lights. Yes. Wai bang le anom na khat mo adi pu bang ana komanta in chin Alice ka kaet chiang a kha muthaki nga hon gen khenowam mo. Once again, let us clap our hands for City Lights.
Mi pi te atam thei lamon tel cha ding ina ka hon nge na hi bana TV ana et sakte teng teng tu ale ki pa thu ka hon nge na hi na ve kuna mang pha